Let's learn to write, join the letters, the next set of vegetables. What shall we write? Cauliflower. Let's learn to write, join the letters correctly. Cauliflower. C A U L I. Cauliflower. F L O W E R. Cauliflower. You like cauliflower? Yes. Next, what shall we write? Lady's finger. Nice green vegetable. Lady's finger. L A D Y. Lady's finger. F I N G E R. Lady's finger. Good. Next, what shall we write? Drumstick. Nice, long, tasty vegetable. Drumstick. D R U Drumstick. S T I C K. Drumstick. Next, what shall we write? Broccoli. Curd. Another green vegetable. B R O C C I. O L I. B R O C C L I. Broccoli. Okay, so 4 vegetables. Let's write the next set of vegetables. Okay, what shall we write first? Look, ridge gourd. You like ridge gourd? R I D G E. Ridge. Gourd. G O U R. Gourd. Rich gourd. It's a nice little vegetable. Next, bitter. You like bitter gourd? Bitter. B B I T T E R. Bitter gourd. G O U R D. It's bitter, but it's very good for health. Okay? Now, this is a long vegetable. What is that? Snake gourd. S N A K. Snake. Because it's very long, we call it snake gourd. G O U R D. Snake gourd. Bottle. Next vegetable is bottle gourd. B T T L E bottle gourd. G O U R T bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is very interesting. It's almost like a bottle. The shape. Okay? Good. Let's write our next set of vegetables. Now, ginger. Ginger is a very nice vegetable, good for health. Let's write ginger. G I N G E R. Ginger. Let's write the G capital. G I N G E R. It's a very nice vegetable, good for your tummy. Okay, garlic. Another vegetable, good one, nice white skinned one, garlic. G A R L I C. Garlic. Let's write the G capital. G A R L I C. Garlic. What's the next one? Let's write cucumber. You can eat this raw, cucumber. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Let's write the C capital. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Next, turnip. You like turnip? T U R N I P. Turnip. Let's write the T capital. T U R N I P. Turnip. A green vegetable. It's very tasty too. Let's write our next set of vegetables. You like to eat corn? Yes. At the beach you eat, isn't it? Let's spell. C O R N. Corn. C O R N. Corn. Let's write the C capital. C O R N. Corn. What makes you cry when you bite? Chili. Yes. C H I L L Y. Chili. Let's write the C capital. C H I L L Y. chili. Next, coriander. Yes. Next, let's write another vegetable, coriander. Coriander. Coriander, nice vegetable. You can eat it raw. Let's write the C capital. C O R R I A N D E R. Coriander. Coriander. Next, we'll write celery. C E L E R Y. Celery, a nice fresh green vegetable. You can eat it raw. Let's write the C capital. C E L E R Y. Celery. Good. Let's write the next set of vegetables. Now, mint. Nice vegetable to eat. M I N T. Mint. It has a nice, lovely smell and nice to chew and eat. Let's write the M capital. M I N T. Mint. Capsicum. Nice green bell pepper. C A P. Capsicum. C U M. Capsicum. Let's write the C capital. C A P S I C U M. Capsicum. Good. Nice white vegetable. What is that? Radish. R A D I S H. Radish. It belongs to the carrot family. Let's write the R capital. R A D I S H. Radish. Next vegetable, mushroom. M U S H R O O M. Mushroom. Look like small umbrella, isn't it? Let's write the M capital. M U S H R O O M. Mushroom. It's another very tasty vegetable.